Navigating Medicare can be complex, especially when it comes to understanding late enrollment penalties, or LEP. If you miss your initial enrollment period, you might face penalties for Parts A, B, and D. These penalties can increase your monthly premiums and last for years. Let's break down each part and see how you can avoid these costly penalties. First, let's discuss Part A, which covers hospital insurance. If you don't qualify for premium-free Part A and delay enrollment, your premium may increase by 10%. This penalty is paid for twice the number of years you delayed. For example, if you were eligible 5 years ago and just enrolled, you'd pay the penalty for 10 years. However, if you had employer group coverage, 80, and your employer had 20 or more employees, you may be able to sign up anytime without a penalty. Next, Part B, which covers outpatient insurance, also imposes penalties. If you delay beyond your initial enrollment period, your premium could rise by 10% for each full 12-month period you were eligible but didn't enroll. For instance, if your enrollment period ended in December 2021 and you enrolled in March 2025, you'd face a 30% penalty. Again, if covered by employer insurance and your employer had 20 or more full-time employees, you can avoid this penalty by enrolling within 8 months of losing coverage. Finally, Part D, focusing on prescription drug coverage, penalizes you if you go 63 days or more without creditable coverage after your initial enrollment period. The penalty is 1% of the national average base premium, multiplied by the number of months without coverage. For example, if you had a 26-month gap, the penalty would be $9.60 monthly for 25. However, having creditable coverage, like an employer plan, can exempt you from this penalty. Fortunately, there are exceptions and assistance available. If you have limited income and resources, Medicare savings programs might help cover Part A and B premiums. Additionally, extra help can assist with prescription drug costs, potentially waiving Part D penalties. Always check if you qualify for these programs to ease your financial burden. For more information or assistance, reach out to Tracy McManaman, President and founder of OneSource Benefits, at 877-549-WAMFU12 or TM Manaman at OneSource Benefits. Come and visit onesourcebenefits.com for further details.